Good morning, kids. It's a pleasure for me to be with you this week again. Today is Monday, September 27th. Remember, write on your notebook the day of today. Today is Monday, September 27th. The quote of the day is no one is perfect. That's why pencil have eraser. What does it mean? Que nadie es perfecto. Por eso los lápices tienen borrador. Así que podemos start every day over and over again and try to do better. Todos los días podemos empezar nuestro día tratando de hacer las cosas de mejor manera. The topic of this week is what day is today. Así que vamos a estar viendo esta semana the day of the week. Vamos a ver los días de la semana. Y aprenderemos nuestro objective for this week is students will be able to say days of the week by practice some exercise about asking and answer a question. What is these questions? Now we are going to look the question. Okay, what day is today? ¿Qué día es hoy? Esa es la pregunta que vamos a estar manejando durante esta semana. What day is today? ¿Qué día es hoy? Remember, each week have 7 days. And what are these days? ¿Cuáles son esos días? Now we are going to present the day of the week in English. Okay, the first day of the week in the United States or every country that speak in English, it's Sunday. Si nosotros lo mencionamos, cada país tiene diferentes días de la semana, o sea, tiene 7 días de la semana, pero en Honduras decimos que nuestro primer día de la semana es lunes. But in the United States or in every country that speak English, o cualquier país que de habla inglesa, they start with, ellos inician con Sunday, yes? Okay, Sunday, repeat after me, Sunday means domingo. Remember that the Sunday usually with our family visit or go to the church. Nosotros normalmente los domingos asistimos a la iglesia con nuestra familia. Remember, Sunday, domingo. The next one is Monday. Monday we start our activities or the first day of the week and el primer día de la semana que vamos a la escuela, que iniciamos nuestras actividades. And Monday means lunes. Monday, lunes. The next one is Tuesday. It's the second day of the week. Tuesday, martes. Tuesday, martes. Yes. The third day of the week is Wednesday. Aquí en Honduras decimos que es el ombligo de la semana, ¿sí? Porque estamos a mitad de la semana. Wednesday means miércoles. Wednesday, miércoles. Thursday means jueves. Ya casi estamos llegando a ese fin de semana tan esperado. Thursday, jueves. And Friday que todo mundo, every single person enjoy Friday because the weekend is coming. Todo el mundo disfruta el fin de semana porque el viernes porque el fin de semana está por venir. So Friday, viernes. Friday, viernes. And the last one is Saturday. Saturday is the day we have some vacation or relax in our house or visit our family, go to the cinema or to the church, to the mall. I don't know. We are going to do. Los sábados son los días que normalmente nosotros descansamos y hacemos diferentes actividades como ir al cine, salir al parque con nuestra familia o visitar nuestra familia. And remember that days of the week, if Sunday, domingo, Monday, lunes, Tuesday, martes, Wednesday, miércoles, Thursday, jueves, Friday, viernes, and Saturday, sábado. Hasta la imagen aparece ahí, enjoying this week. This day, sorry. If you remember, at the beginning of this week, we talk about what day is today, but we don't ask this question. Nosotros no, we don't answer this question. Nosotros no respondimos esta pregunta. En nuestra pregunta para esta respuesta, what day is today is Monday, or today is Friday. Today is Sunday, maybe. Today is Monday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Today is Friday. And today is Saturday. Nosotros podemos responder la siguiente pregunta: ¿qué día es hoy? Y nuestra respuesta será hoy es. What day is today? Today is. Remember, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Our activities for this week is easily. First, we are going to listen each day of the week. Primeramente vamos a escuchar los días de la semana de la siguiente manera. Sunday. After we listen the audio, we are going to move the Sunday through to hacia el espacio. ¿Sí? The next one. Thursday. Dice Thursday, and move the Thursday hacia that rectangle. Yes? Ahora ustedes van a continuar moviendo de acuerdo al sonido cada una de los días de la semana. ¿Sí? Excellent job. Finally, you are going to create some flashcards. La pueden hacer en cartulina, papel construcción o papel de color y van a colocar una imagen del día lunes o Monday, Sunday, todos los días de la semana deben de ser 7 flashcards y van a escribir en la parte de abajo, así como se mira en esta imagen, Sunday, así como aprendimos a escribirlo durante el vocabulario. Luego, you can use key rings, pueden usar llaveros para anillar lo que son sus flashcards y me enviarán una fotografía en su collage. Finally, you are going to send me the collage with the exercise, los ejercicios que realizamos en Live Worksheet, que yo les enviaré el link, and send me the photograph, the picture of la fotografía de su key ring. Remember the deadline for this homework is Friday. Estoy viendo que muchos estudiantes no me están enviando actividades, así que por favor pongámonos al día y terminemos este año con lo mejor que podamos hacer. If you have some doubts, you can write me through WhatsApp. And this is all for this week. I hope you have a nice days and learn everything about the days of the week. Bye bye and see you the next week.